club ready to go. Not trying to mess around whatsoever. What we do is we go and fill all this stuff up. We're gonna have to stop at storage now. Gutters are nice and safe. Basically, I'll wait for him to get out here so we can head on out today. We got one hell of a day. Crazy. We're heading on out to, gonna go out and do a couple residentials today, which is gonna be kind of cool. We're stopping and doing a residential with a gutter cleaning and then a solar panel cleaning. And then we got 2 other residential appointments, and one of them has some window cleaning. So that's gonna be kind of fun. So we're gonna head on out there. It's not too cold. It's a little warm out here in Escondido, California. It's about 70, 75 degrees, so it's gonna be a good temperature today. So we're gonna have a lot of fun. And that guy in the background, he didn't want to be in my video, but he's in my video now, so I hope he enjoys that. All right, so here we are. We're way down in here in Point Loma. We have both of our poles. We got the Gardner and the Excalibur and the brushes, and also our Tech 7s and our ladders. We're gonna go ahead and get set up. We got the scoopers for the gutters too, right? I think they got them in here. All right, blow it out. We'll take a good look. All right, we're gonna get up on the roof and check this out. Some algae growing underneath. Yep. This is exactly where I thought it would be. That's not being cleaned from up here all the way. Yeah. Now you gotta clean that from the ground. From the ladder. 5 good reasons why your customers should clean their rain gutters. Number 1, it prevents water damage. When gutters and downspouts are blocked with leaves and debris, rainwater does not drain properly. Number 2, it protects the roof. Clogged gutters give rainwater nowhere to run. Number 3, it keeps pests from causing trouble. Number 4, it reduces the risk of a cracked foundation. And number 5, it saves money. Some good algae on this. Yeah. Jeez, look at this. This is dirty. That's dirty. Yeah.
Like something real thick.
Really, really thick.
It almost looks like soot, but there is no.
It's just dirt.
Like, okay.
Look at that. That's dirty.
How much do you say?
So much.
Yeah, I brought some of that up.
Yeah, okay, good. Yeah, we'll have to put a little bit on it on our brushes. It's gonna need it. I'm gonna need a quote for these panels right here. How much is that? So much better.
That one over there is the magic tree, you know what I mean?
Yep.